I didn't know I was capable of some of the things that I've learnt, but I've come such a long way that the person I was before this course is not even comparable to the person I am now.
At UQ Executive Education, we're a strong believer in co-creation, so working together with the client throughout the whole journey of discovery of needs, design of the program and delivery of the actual program.
We identified key projects that we wanted to focus on that we thought would be useful both for participants to engage in and broaden their learning experience, but also be a value add on operational service delivery.
There was a really wide variety of options for the projects, relating from anything from infrastructure to HR to the systems that support what we do each day. We had the support of the experts from UQ and also from Metro South Executive so that we could put our heads together and really have great governance to solve a problem that seemed impossible.
The project has been a really great hands-on experience to put all the theory that we've learned into practice. It's been amazing to be able to connect with a team of people who are like-minded facing similar challenges.
I think my team achieved more than just what was on paper, but it really was a better understanding of our teams and what they need from us as leaders. This is something we can take back to ourselves in our roles and apply in any role that we have in Metro South and beyond moving forward.
Organizations should consider a custom program with UQ if they face challenges that they don't really know how to solve. And if you really want a seamless experience that complements your existing organizational development and training programs.
The business acumen that UQ have developed and then brought into the program has been, next level from our perspective, and we look forward to the ongoing engagement with UQ.